Are you feeling like something's off in your relationship? Maybe you've noticed subtle changes in your partner's behavior that are leaving you feeling uncertain and uneasy. In this video, we'll explore 5 signs that your partner may be falling out of love with you. By recognizing these signs early on, you can take proactive steps to address issues and potentially salvage your relationship. 1. Lack of communication. If your partner becomes distant and communication dwindles, it could indicate they are emotionally disconnecting. Communication is the cornerstone of any healthy relationship. When your partner is falling out of love, you might notice a significant decline in communication. They may become less responsive to your messages, avoid deep conversations, or seem disinterested in discussing important matters. Conversations that used to flow effortlessly may become strained or superficial. Your partner might also withdraw from sharing their thoughts, feelings, and experiences with you, creating a sense of emotional distance. This lack of communication can lead to feelings of isolation and loneliness within the relationship. Additionally, unresolved issues may start to pile up as they are not addressed through open dialogue. Ultimately, the breakdown in communication can erode the foundation of trust and intimacy in the relationship, making it challenging to reconnect and rebuild what has been lost. It's essential to address these communication barriers early on to prevent further deterioration of the relationship. 2. Decreased affection. A noticeable decline in physical affection, such as hugs, kisses, or cuddling, may suggest a loss of romantic interest. A decrease in physical affection is often a clear indicator that your partner may be falling out of love. You may notice a reduction in gestures such as hugs, kisses, or holding hands, which were once commonplace in your relationship. Physical intimacy may become less frequent or less passionate, reflecting a waning desire for closeness. Your partner might also recoil from physical contact altogether, preferring to maintain physical distance. This lack of affection can leave you feeling emotionally neglected and unloved, deepening the sense of disconnect in the relationship. It's essential to pay attention to these subtle changes in physical behavior and to address them openly and honestly with your partner. Ignoring the issue can lead to further deterioration of intimacy and emotional bonds. Rekindling physical affection often requires both partners to actively work on rebuilding their connection and reigniting the spark that initially brought them together. 3. Increased criticism. If your partner starts nitpicking or criticizing you more frequently, it could be a sign of growing resentment or disinterest. An increase in criticism from your partner can be a troubling sign that they may be falling out of love. They may start to focus more on your flaws and shortcomings, expressing dissatisfaction with your behavior or choices. This criticism may come across as nitpicking or constant fault-finding, leading to feelings of inadequacy and resentment. Your partner might become less tolerant of your actions or decisions, which can create tension and conflict in the relationship. Constant criticism can chip away at your self-esteem and erode the foundation of trust and respect in the relationship. It's important to address this pattern of behavior early on and communicate openly with your partner about how their criticism is affecting you. Seeking professional help or counseling may also be beneficial in addressing underlying issues and rebuilding a healthier dynamic in the relationship. 4. Avoidance of quality time. If your partner consistently avoids spending time with you or prioritizes other activities over your relationship, it may signal they are losing interest. A noticeable avoidance of spending quality time together can signal that your partner is falling out of love. They may consistently prioritize other activities or commitments over nurturing your relationship. Plans for date nights or meaningful outings may be repeatedly postponed or canceled, leaving you feeling neglected and unimportant. Your partner might also seem disinterested or reluctant to engage in activities that once brought you joy as a couple. This avoidance of quality time can create a growing sense of emotional distance and loneliness within the relationship. It's crucial to address this issue openly with your partner and express your desire for more quality time together. Finding mutually enjoyable activities and setting aside dedicated time for each other can help rekindle the connection and strengthen the bond between you. 5. Emotional withdrawal. When your partner stops confiding in you or seeking emotional support, it could indicate they are pulling away emotionally and falling out of love. Emotional withdrawal from your partner is a significant sign that they may be falling out of love. You may notice that your partner becomes less inclined to share their thoughts, feelings, and experiences with you. They may avoid discussing personal topics or expressing vulnerability, creating a sense of emotional distance in the relationship. Your partner might also withhold affectionate gestures, such as compliments or expressions of love, further deepening the emotional disconnect. This withdrawal can leave you feeling isolated and unsure of where you stand in the relationship. It's important to address this emotional distance with your partner and communicate openly about your feelings and concerns. Creating a safe space for honest dialogue can help uncover underlying issues and work towards rebuilding emotional intimacy. Seeking couples therapy or counseling may also be beneficial in navigating this challenging time and reconnecting with your partner on a deeper level. Remember, communication and honesty are key in any relationship. If you've noticed these signs in your partner, don't hesitate to have an open and honest conversation about your concerns. Whether it's working together to rebuild intimacy or recognizing when it's time to let go, prioritizing your emotional well-being is essential. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more relationship advice and tips.